character, na attach na ako sa character, parang nawala na yun eh. At saka sobrang masayang katrabaho yung si Marian at Ai. Kaya sobrang nawala rin yung kaba ko.
Nanood si Ding Dong, ano yung naramdaman mo nung napanood niya yung kissing scene?
Well, trabaho lang. Naintindihan niya rin naman yun eh.
Ano sinabi mo kanina kung nag-kausap man kayo?
Si Ding Dong is a nice guy. We know each other matagal na. So, he knows naman very well. At saka, hindi si Edward yung nag-kiss kay Marian. Si Kojik yung nag-kiss kay Samantha. So, yun.
Anong kissing scene yun ni Marian? Paano yung eksena? I mean, marami ba itong take? Or konting take lang?
Sakto lang.
Ikaw, kinabahan ka ba nung nalaman mo may kissing scene kayo ni Marian?
Yes, siguro kinabahan ako, pero nung na ako, in character as Kojik, yun, sobrang kabado. Kasi yun yung character ni Kojik eh, sobrang in love with Marian, with Samantha. So, ibang ego na yun eh, for me. But, I guess it's a very big privilege for me to kiss someone that beautiful.
Ano sabi mo ring big break pa to sa showbiz kasi nasama yung dalawang magaling. Tapos ang ganda ng character mo.
Yeah, sobra. Dami nagsasabi before that na ito yung break ko na, and ngayon ko lang na sobrang na-realize after napanood ko. Sobrang thankful ako sa Panginoon at saka sa mga nagbigay sa akin ng chance, si Direk Onat and mga producers. Wala na akong masasabi pa. I mean, I'm very overwhelmed.
Ano pinakabuwis buhay na ginawa mo dito sa film na ito?
Ano yung pinaka-ano?
Pinakabuwis buhay.
Buwis buhay. Actually marami, mostly the stunts. Masyadong dangerous yung stunts. Yung mga harness, pag tumbling sa ere. Actually, I'm scared of heights. So, tiniis ko lang. Pero along the way, ayun, awa ng Diyos, wala namang nasaktan masyado. Marami lang mga pasa-pasa at saka scars. Pero ako lang.
Topless ka lagi dito.
Oo nga, hindi ko in-expect din yun eh.
Nag-prepare ka ba talaga? Anong balak na ba?
Yun ang pinaka-pressure sa akin kasi galing ako sa holiday mode, December, tapos sinabihan nila ako January 4 na umpisa ng shooting. Yun talaga ang pinaka-pressure. So, trabaho. So I had to really push myself to dive hard, which I hated. Pero yun, it was worth it.
Yung press ko, nasabi ni Sir Onat na nagpa-audition na sila, pero ang taga nilang nagantay until dumating ka. Ano sa tingin mo yung edge mo, yung meron ka, ba't ikaw yung napili ni Direk?
Yeah, hindi ko nga rin alam na ganun pala yung nangyari. Pero sobrang flattered ako. Alam mo, sa totoo nga, nakakatawa kasi papunta sa audition. Wala talaga akong alam kung tungkol saan. Hindi ko ni-expect kung ano mangyayari. At saka, I got lost pa for an hour trying to look for the place. And nung pagdating ko ron, siguro, ayun, nagawa ko yung character. Siguro, yun yung minamatch na sa imagination niya. So, it's a blessing talaga.
Doon na naman sasabi mo dun sa loko sa iyo ni Ai, saka ni yung about the big thing. Siguro ang daming nag-aabang ng mga bading kung ano yung pakikita na yun.
Wala.
Na-flattered ka ba? Kinabahan ka ba?
I'm unassuming eh. So it's a new discovery for me. So I guess a lot of people now call me Big Bird for some reason. But I don't know if I should be happy about it or not. But yeah, I guess I'm flattered.
Pero parang namumula ka nung nasa press during the press.
Syempre, kahit sino naman eh. But you know naman Ai, she's naturally funny and wonderful. So, para sa akin, okay. That's fine.
Hindi ka
Differentiate the two actors.
Well, they're very unique in their own ways of acting. Pero they're both funny. Syempre si Ai naturally, yun talaga yung forte niya eh. But I'm surprised that si Marian being a dramatic actress, meron din palang siyang side na nakakatawa. So, it really did she really did well, especially with Ai. Yung tandem nila sobrang naging dynamic. So, yun, isa sa malaking discovery sa mga manunood na yung part ni Marian being a komedyante pala is magaling din pala siya doon.
off-cam nilaloko ka ba nila? Na, binibiro-biro ka nila during that time?
So off-camera, marami talagang lokohan eh. But these two girls are sobrang, mahilig sa biro. Hindi lang sa akin, sa lahat ng kasama sa set. So ganoon na talaga, good vibes. That's why the movie became so, great because of that. Good energy all throughout.
Totoo ba yung paggalaw ng mga dibdib mo dito?
Actually, yes.
How did you do that?
I don't know, it's talent eh. No?
Did you audition?
Well, naging ano siya, naging idea ni Direk Onat during the shoot. Sabi niya, kaya mo bang pagalawin? Sabi ko, yeah, I mean, I used to do that before, a long time ago. So, it's having a lot of muscles, I guess. Or,
Alam naman natin na si Ai, off-cam, on-cam, medyo naughty pagdating sa mga ganyang klaseng bagay. Off-cam ba nangyari rin yung mga ganong bagay? Mga ninonaughty ka niya?
well, naughty in a funny way. Alam mo yun, yung wholesome naughty, I should say. Wala namang malice. It's part of the, being funny by nature.
How do you take it? Yung mga ganong biro
Oh, I
niya.
take it perfectly fine. Actually, ako rin eh. I like yung ganong sense of humor eh. Kasi ako rin naman eh, may pagkakengkoy din ako. That's another side of me na not a lot of people know.
You're single, right?
Yes.
Ai is single. Possible ba na may ma-develop after
Or
this?
ikaw
With
ba
Ai
yung
Ai.
sinasabi?
With Ai, yeah.
Or ikaw ba yung binanggit ni Marian na bagong admirer ni Miss Ai?
Wow, I didn't hear about that. But I'm very flattered if she admires me that much. And it's an honor for me.
Pero half-half ka ba para lang ma-confirm? Sabi niya kasi half-half yung nag-admire kay Ai.
Ako, nag-admire kay Ai.
Hindi, are you half Filipino or something? Or, kasi yun yung sabi ni Marian eh.
Well, maybe in my past life I was half black. Because no, but I'm pure. I'm pure Pinoy. I don't know the significance of that, but when Ai said I'm gifted, I just take it as a compliment. Kung ano man ibig sabihin nun completely. But yeah.
So to set the record straight, hindi ikaw yung binabanggit
Yes.
ni Marian na secret na bagong
Admirer.
admirer ni
Oh
Miss
no,
Ai?
no, absolutely not. Yeah.
Pero kung may chance na, possible ka may love kay Ai.
Well, kahit sino naman may love kay Ai sa personality niya, as a person, I think a lot of people are in love with her in general. Napaka beautiful person niya in and out. So, yeah.
After this ba may mga future plans? Kasi ABS ka kasi una nagka-big break. Do you have any other projects after this competition?
I pinaubaya ako sa manager ko, so I don't know what his plans after this. I'm sure he has something up. So we'll see after this.
So ngayon wala pa talaga?
Well, right now, yeah, kasi sila na yung nagma-manage nun eh. But right now, I'm just enjoying this. I'm just enjoying itong movie na to, and I'm just really thankful. So,
Edward, sa management ka ba? Para lang malaman nila. I mean, kung sino nag-handle ng career or something.
my career, I'm being managed. Hi guys, I'm being managed with the same manager of Bianca, Blanca Manalo, and Matteo Gudicelli, which is Georgie. Yeah. Same manager, yes. Yeah.
Thank you.